guys, it's Strawberry Squirrel. Today I'm going to be doing a slime package video. I got a slime package before, but it wasn't so good. And it was from Slimy Shops, and so is this one. So yeah, the box came a little open, so I'm a little worried it might be the worst slime package again. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below for more video ideas, and like this video. Hopefully you can get 1,000 likes. I think I did that 20 times, I don't know. So I'll just take the cap off and you guys get the first look. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh my god, this box is filled. Okay. Let's see, I think this says note. I don't know if you can really see that, but it says NOTE. Dear Julie, thank you for ordering from my shop. That was a nice thing. Note. So the receipt is 2 Nighttime Sky, which is $2. One of them were $1, so like 1 plus 1 is 2. So she didn't write the total, but so 1 10OZ peach slime and 1 8OZ grassland slime. She didn't write the thing, and then she wrote thank you, and she has like a lot that mistake thing, but I really like her handwriting, so thank you. It gets like better and better by time. So I did not order these 3. She gave a whole bottle of shaving cream, a whole bottle of clear glue, and a whole bottle filled with Tide. I mean, it's a little messy, but that's fine. Like, she gave me these, guys. This is crazy. Like, Tide. I use Tide, and it looks like she does too. So, clear glue and shaving cream. And this one looks a little used, but I don't really care. So, I'm going to use this as my board. So the first slime is, wait, let me just move it down a bit so you guys can see. So the first slime is guys, this is so good. It's a little sticky, like it melted maybe. But the container had a little bit yellow paint, but I don't really care. It doesn't have any white glitter, but which makes it like nighttime, but I guess you forgot about that, but I don't really care because I don't really like glitter and slime. Yeah, this is very stretchy and it's a little sticky, so I'm going to add a tiny bit of Tide that she gave me. And she put in this cool squeeze bottle, so thank you for that. I made this tiny hole, I'm just putting it in there. And I'm just, like that. There you guys, my thing was about to close. I thought it was, but it's just. So, okay, I got it way better. I think the other one might be a little sticky too. Yeah. So, thank you so much, Slimy Shops, for this. It's very stretchy. I really like this slime. It's very stretchy. See the poke. So, we're going to do the slime test. So, poking, amazing. Stretching, awesome. Swirl, okay, because I didn't really try on that one. But the bubble popping noise, OMG. Like, the best is like the bubble popping noise. So yeah, that was it for this slime. So let's move on to the next slime because I don't want this video to be too long. And I don't want to spend too much time on slimes. And she put it in this paint container. I use these too. So it just looks a little dark. I'm just... Okay, whatever. I'll fix it later. So, okay. The next one is this one. This one might be a little melted too. Oh, no, this one's not melted a little. Oh, it is. This one had even more yellow paint. I don't really care. This one's not that sticky. It's a tiny bit sticky. I don't want it to be sticky at all, so. And again, she used the pink container, so. Not a bit too much. So I'm just mixing this in. So this slime is, again, very stretchy, very fun to poke. It's just the tide's still not completely mixed in, that's why it's not really making poking noise. But it's stretching pretty well. It makes bubble popping noises. You can poke it. I feel like she made them at the same time and then just separated them. But I ordered two because like 2 OZ is really small. But this is a little smaller than 2 OZ, but I don't really mind. Because then if I put them together, it might be like 4 OZ. So just put that back. Because again, I don't want to spend too much time because the video is already 6 minutes. Okay, so just put the cap on there. This one, see, had a big blob of yellow paint. But I don't care because next is the grassland slime. It has some blue in there, but I don't really mind. This is actually a pretty good slime. It's really big. I think this is the biggest one. It's not 8 OZ, it's like 10 OZ. I think this one was supposed to be 10 OZ. No, grassland was supposed to be 8 OZ. Maybe she got mixed up. Maybe it's the other way around. Because this is the peach, but it has some kind of like makeup thing in there. But this looks 8 OZ. I don't know if it's 8 OZ. It just looks kind of 10 OZ-ish. So yeah, thank you for this grassland slime. This one's a tiny bit hard. But I don't really mind. So yeah, just put that one back there. And now the peach slime. So she gave this blusher in it. I'm supposing this is an extra, or maybe it was supposed to come with some kind of pigment, but she gives it just in case you want it. But I guess it's like an extra basically. So yeah, thank you for that. Wow, this is amazing, guys. It's a tiny bit sticky, but I kind of like it sticky. It's very, very stretchy, guys. It's very stretchy. Let's see the bubble popping noises. Oh no, I gotta look up something. Let me just pick my clothes up because I don't want anything on my clothes. Poking are amazing. It's very stretchy. Oh god. This is amazing, guys. Like, this is like the best slime package ever. That was all the slimes because the box is empty. Guys, this is amazing. I kind of want to put some pigment, so I'm just going to put some pigment in for you guys. So I don't know how to just get this marker. So there's just some dried up slime or something on it. Some kind of, I don't know, something. But I ordered a mermaid slime too. I think that's coming maybe another time soon. Some other time soon. But I don't really care. Okay, I put a tiny bit too much pigment, but that's okay. I hope the lighting's not too bad. Oh, sorry, my charger, my camera's in the charger, so I think it's gonna look really pretty with the pigment. And if it needs more, I'll put more. It's already becoming like really pretty. It's not completely mixed in. Okay, I'm gonna put a tiny bit more. Okay, it all got a little. I don't want to like finish all this. Oh god, I'm already finishing it. I don't want to finish all of it because it's really pretty pigment. This is like blush. I guess she uses blush for pigments too. Sorry guys, there was just a hair on me. Okay, got it. Oh god, I got this pigment. This slime is just very stretchy. It's very awesome. You can definitely poke it. You can. I'm gonna try making a swirl. This one's like the one I spend the most time on it, like because like I just really like it. Like this one's like the best. Okay, I made a really good swirl, but it kind of stuck. The pigment made it a little less sticky. So there's a here. Yeah, there's a here. Usually I only order like 2 slimes from her. This time I decided to order 3 because I just, wanted to. But thank you so much for the shaving cream, guys. Oops. Like, she gave me a whole bottle of shaving cream. I can't really hear the shaving cream. Maybe it's so. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my god, there is a hair. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as you guys believed it. Yeah, this was a spoof, guys. Sorry, but like Slimy Shops, I don't know if it's real or fake, but I just made it up, and I just make it get nicer and nicer at minute. And these are all my stuff. So there's just like 2 or 3 hairs on the slime. I made this peach slime just today, and I wrote the note and everything. I forgot to write the total, so sorry about that. But these are all my slimes. I made the nighttime sky and the this peach slime just today. And this is my shaving cream, my glue, my Tide, my everything, and my cousin's. But she's not here. She's in, what is it called? Pennsylvania. I mean, Philadelphia. She went to, Atlantic City today, so. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the swirl, and it holds the swirl for a pretty. You kind of zoomed in. It holds the swirl for a pretty long time. It looks a little like pinkish on camera right now, but it's actually like really peachy. So I'm using the cap of the shoebox. Ignore my foot. It's not a butter slime, but it spreads. I don't know how, but no, it doesn't spread. I just felt like it spread. So I'm gonna do an ASMR on all these slimes in another video. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And this video might be today, so like I'm gonna say it now, so I don't have to say I'm wearing the same clothes because it's the same day. But some people don't change every day. I'm just gonna close. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, my nose is so runny. I need a paper towel. Oh, whatever. It's up there. I love this poke and the stretch and everything. The squish. Guys, do you see this right now? I love this slime, seriously. Like, I didn't put any lotion, anything. Like, I just put glue, shaving cream, and some dye. Like, that's it. And obviously paint. Yeah, this slime is so stressful. So, yeah, now I'm going to do an ASMR for this one. And then I'm going to do it for the nighttime sky. I'm going to only do it for this nighttime sky. Because I don't want to spend too much. Or actually, I'll do it on both just for you guys. And then I'll do one on the Grassland Springs. I don't like the Grassland one. It's mine. My cousin made it with me. But I just don't like it. It's like a little hard. And earlier today I accidentally put a bit too much. Guys. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And oh wait, I'm gonna do an ASMR in another video. I forgot. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.